Hi there, this is Pradyumna Reddy, a second year CS undergrad student from Bennett University. The topic of my presentation is RFID, which stands for Radio Frequency Identification. Now, let's get a brief introduction about RFID. So, what is RFID? RFID works using radio frequency waves to transfer data between reader and moving item to identify, categorize, and track. To give a basic example, these days we are using fast tags to go through tolls, right? So, the tag contains RFID chip. We'll go into details in the next slides. So these are the key components in the RFID: RFID tag, RFID reader, antenna, and an RFID station. An RFID reader is a network connected device that can be portable or permanently attached. It uses radio waves to transmit signals that activate the tag. Once activated, the tag sends a wave back to the antenna where it is translated into data. An antenna. In short, RFID antennas take energy from an RFID reader and transmit it in the form of RF waves to RFID tags in the vicinity. If RFID readers are the brains of an RFID system, RFID antennas are used arms because they actually transmit RF waves to the tags. RFID station. An RFID read station can be best compared to a fixed position barcode scanner. This solution offers the hands-free capability to track items as they pass into the vicinity of the station, but eliminate the need to face the product since line of sight is not required with RFID. RFID technology. A microchip is used to transmit data when the label is exposed to radio waves. So what is a chip? A chip holds info about physical object. What is an antenna? It transmits radio signals. And what is a package? It encases the chip and antenna so tags can be attached to a physical object. So what are tags? There are two types of tags. They are active and passive tags. Active tags. Active tags contain a battery that runs the microchip circuitry. Tag is able to send a stronger signal to the reader due to battery. It allows a read range of about 100 feet. A passive tag. Passive tag contains no batteries. Passive tags get power from a reader. Readers send electromagnetic waves that produce a current in the tag's antenna, which then powers the microchip circuits. A passive tag's read range is approximately 30 feet. So what is the operating principle of the RFID system? It is nothing but inductive coupling. The transfer of energy from one circuit to another circuit through a shared magnetic field powers the microchip. Circuitry use load modulation to send data back to the reader. You can see here. So how does this RFID work? RFID system contains of tags, reading devices that convey information from the tags to computer. An unpowered tag is powered intermittently from a distance by a reader device that broadcasts energy to it. It consists of a plain antenna bonded to a silicon chip and encapsulated in a glass or plastic module. Tags operate differently depending on several factors, especially the frequency they function. Tags work at frequency bands of 13.56 MHz or lower are still the most widely used. Typically, tags needs to be less than 1 meter away from the reader. So what are the applications? People tracking, healthcare, document tracking, and manufacturing. Let's go into the details. People tracking. Hospitals and jails are mostly required tracking places. Hospitals use RFID tags for tracking their special patients. Many jails of different US states like Michigan, California, and Arizona are already using RFID tracking systems to keep a close eye on jail inmates. Document tracking. Availability of large amount of data and documents bring lots of problem in document management system. In healthcare, patient safety is a big challenge of healthcare. Reducing medication errors, meeting new standards, staff shortages, and reducing costs are the plus points of use of RFID solutions. RFID wristbands containing patient records and medication history address several of these concerns. In manufacturing, RFID technology provides an easy way to manage a huge and laborious manufacturing process. This type of process helps in better analysis, reduce time in locating parts and products, and production processes-based sensors can be installed to alert any anomalies. So the advantages: RFID tags are very simple to install, inject inside the body of animals, thus helping to keep a track on them. Technology can be easily replaced, therefore it increases the security of the product. What are the disadvantages? It is difficult for an RFID reader to read the information in case of RFID tags installed in liquids and metal products. Collision, cost, and failure are also some of the disadvantages. RFID technology has been referred to as invasive technology. Many countries have different ranges of frequencies that allow RFID tags to function. So what's the conclusion? RFID technology is taking off in many places like in malls, libraries, etc. at an increasingly rapid pace. Though there are many firms employing this technology today, but due to its customizable feature and continuing improvement, the communities are beginning to get involved in its development. It is easy to envision that the RFID tag's contents will increase in power, prices are expected to decline, and tag will dramatically improve its efficiency, security, and accuracy. Major concerns need to be addressed for successful implementing this technology. So this changes our personal and work lives and adorns the conventional management with a new idea and assure for a bright future. Thank you.